Alright, here's a version of Jingle Bells that uses mostly black keys, but you'll have your number 4, your ring finger, on this white key. Oh, that's right, that white key doesn't work. Okay, I'm gonna play up here then, for now. Yeah, alright. Okay, so here's the first part again. Middle finger.
No, apparently you can't make helping your muddy, but
3, 5, 1, 2, 3. Here's the second part. This is where we use the white key. So that's "Oh, what fun it is to ride." Oh, what fun it is to ride. Here it is again, one more time. Number 4 first. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3. So almost all of those notes are on this white key with your number 4, except for the words "to ride," which are middle finger on the black key. Okay, and then in a 1-horse open sleigh, you're starting with number 3 on this black key, middle finger. Okay. In a 1-horse open sleigh. And usually you just say the word "hey" on that last one, but we're going to be playing with your pinky, number 5, on that black key. Okay. So in a 1-horse open sleigh, there's a lot of switching back and forth between these fingers, so pay close attention to which words are played with which finger on which key. In a 1, then switch, same note, then switch, and then pinky. Okay. In a 1-horse open sleigh. Okay. Alright, now we're going to put all of those different parts together. I'll do it a little bit slow, so hopefully you can watch my fingers as I'm playing this, but also I'll try and play fast enough that you can still recognize the song while I'm playing. Here we go. Okay. At the "Oh, what fun it is to ride in a 1-horse open sleigh," there's a lot of this key in a row. So a little bit is at the end of "Oh, what fun it is to ride," and then the rest is the start of "in a 1-horse open sleigh." Okay. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a 1-horse open sleigh. Okay. And that's the first half of Jingle Bells with the right hand. We'll be doing the second half with your left hand. And this is what the left hand will look like when we play the second half of the song. Black key, black key, black key. White key. Black key. And that's it.